Well, just a few weeks after our last cruise, I certainly didn't think we'd be back here again today, but here we go again.
Welcome to Dubrovnik, where the local time is just approaching 10:10. The time here is an hour ahead of the UK.
So we're back on Marella Explorer 2, and explore we will. We're on a 1 week Adriatic cruise to lots of ports we haven't been to before. Croatia in particular, never been there before. So it's really exciting, but let's go and have a look at our room. So we are in an ocean view cabin on this cruise. Let's have a walk to the end here, and then we can pan back a little bit and you'll get a bit of a feel for the cabin. Okay, and it seems quite reasonably sized, to be quite honest. I don't have a problem whatsoever with that. Sometimes you think it's going to be a little bit tight. So let's have a look at the storage. Put the light on. There we go. We have wardrobe, and I usually do these room tours before we've packed. On this occasion, you might have noticed I haven't. Okay, so you will see how untidy I am. So plenty of room in there. Okay, let's move and you've got another full-sized wardrobe there, and it is large. We've got large suitcases and they fit in as well, so that's not a problem. Plenty of space there. And if that's not enough, you've then got shelving to put your t-shirts, shirts and things like that. And then you've got 4 drawers down there for various other things, underwear, etc. Okay, so let's have a look at television. The television is absolutely perfectly sized for this size of room, so no problem there whatsoever again. Okay, let's just move this chair out the way a little bit. There's an interconnecting door there, nicely locked. Okay, little shelf pulls out. Underneath here we've got the fridge, and it's quite a good fridge actually. Sometimes they're not that powerful, but this is really good for keeping beer cold. Okay, so moving along from there. Okay, let's go to the side of the bed. You have got a USB port. Okay, there you've got your telephone and good sized drawers. There's 2 of those, and we've got exactly the same the other side. So you've got the USB port and 2 good sized drawers. The window lets a lot of light in. It's really good. I don't know whether it's me, but I prefer that shape to like a porthole shape, but it absolutely does the job great. Lovely big bed, very comfortable. There's no room underneath the bed to put your cases, but as I've shown you, you can get your cases in the wardrobe, no problem. Now you might have noticed on the side here there is something that sticks out, and that actually pulls out, and then that's a bed. So if you've got 3 people, that will pull down to make another bed. Okay, very useful little magazine rack. That saves you having to clutter up the desk area, so that's quite useful. But one thing I've noticed in the cabins on Marella is they use space very well. So behind this mirror you will see there is shelving, and there is your safe. That's quite clever. As regards the power sockets, you've got an American 2-pin, European. There is no 3-pin plugs, okay, in this cabin. So as you can see there, I've got my old trusty cube that does the trick. Okay, we'll have a look down here. We've got 3 good sized drawers. You can see we haven't even had to use these, so you know, space wise it's no problem whatsoever. Okay, we've got the hair dryer, which is powerful. It's a good hair dryer. You've got your teas and coffees, kettle, and your little cards that you put into the door. Oops, just there to say whether you want your room making up or not. You'll see there's a carafe on there, and that can be filled up from the water machines on the just outside on the deck there, so that's no problem. That's quite handy, and you can pop it in the fridge. Okay, so let's have a look. We've got coat hangers, air conditioning, you've got a full length mirror there, and you've got a full length mirror the other side. Let's have a look in the bathroom. Take a look. Now do be careful. There is a step stepping into the bathroom, and it says watch your step on it. Do be careful with that because it's easy to trip. Alright. And there is also another step getting into the shower. So just be careful, just be mindful of. Now the shower is a really good size. It's quite deceptive really. I'm not the smallest of guys, but there is plenty of room. So stepping into the shower, you can see you've got your shower gel. Okay, so I'm going to pop your bits and pieces. And once again, I've got to say, it's a very good shower, really powerful. So looking out from the shower, you can see you've got plenty of room there to put all your bits and pieces. You've got your sink and your toilet with your towels. So this is like shower camp because it's from the shower. But you get a really good idea the size of the bathroom. It's quite deceptive, as I say. There is quite a lot of room. Okay, there you've got your waste bin there, and there is also up there is a 2-pin socket there for your shaver. Okay, so moving back out, so we're located, you'll have seen the room number, and we're located there. We've had no movement on this cruise, so we've even been at the front of the ship, so that's quite good, as you must instructions. So looking back out into the room, not bad at all. You know I prefer a balcony, but this was a last minute treat if you like, and made it a little bit more affordable what they got left. But this is really nice. As you can see, it's bright and airy. There's plenty of room. So this is our ocean view cabin on board Marella Explorer 2.